Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play BeamNG Drive for the first time. Let's begin by understanding the fundamental controls. You'll use the arrow keys or WASD for driving and the spacebar for the handbrake. To spawn a new vehicle, simply press Ctrl+E. The user interface, found at the top left, helps you access various game settings and vehicle options. Getting comfortable with these initial steps will set you up for hours of fun. Once you have the basics down, it's time to explore the exciting game modes. Free roam allows you to drive anywhere, while scenarios offer structured challenges like races or deliveries. Time trials test your speed on specific tracks. BeamNG Drive features over 20 official maps, each providing unique driving experiences. From the winding roads of Italy to the rugged trails of Utah, every environment offers distinct physics interactions for your vehicles. One of BeamNG Drive's core features is its incredibly detailed vehicle customization and damage model. You can modify nearly every part of your vehicle, from engine tuning to suspension adjustments, creating thousands of unique combinations. The game's soft body physics engine simulates damage in real time, deforming vehicles realistically upon impact. You'll see every dent and crumple as you crash, offering an unparalleled level of destruction across over 50 distinct vehicle models. For those looking to dive deeper, BeamNG Drive offers advanced features like the World Editor, allowing you to build your own maps and scenarios. The game boasts a vibrant community with thousands of user-created mods, including new vehicles, maps, and gameplay elements, easily accessible through the in-game repository. Connecting with other players through forums or social media can enhance your experience, providing valuable insights and shared enjoyment of this unique driving simulator.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.